Hello, welcome to Super Billing. In this video, we are going to see how to create a purchase return. To create a purchase return, on the left menu, click on Purchases and click on Purchase Returns. A purchase return window will be displayed. Here, click on Add Purchase Return and select the dealer that you need to return and select the product that you need to return. And before saving the invoice, note the invoice number and the invoice date for our reference, which we need later. Click on Save Invoice. Purchase return has been saved. Now close this return screen and now go to Purchase and click on New Purchase. From Dealer 1, we are purchasing a different product. Now, to add a purchase return, below you will have a button called Purchase Return. Click on that button and a purchase return window will be displayed. Here, type in your return invoice number, which is 1, and the return invoice number date, and click on Add Return. And now the return invoice details has been added and the total amount payable is subtracted. Now click on Save Invoice. Purchase invoice has been saved. Thank you.